everyone. So there's Belen with me, and she's from Argentina, and we're gonna be having a lot of fun in Universal today in Singapore on Sentosa Island.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go inside and yeah. Belen, how excited are you?
Super excited.
Awesome. Hey everyone, this is my first time in Universal, and we're just going to go with the flow today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing planned. We don't even have a map. So.
We don't know which attractions are in this park.
Yeah. Like, let's just go with the flow.
Yeah.
So the first ride we're on is the Madagascar, but she hasn't seen the movie, so.
I'm sorry, but it's going to be fun.
Yeah. So Belen, are you excited for the first ride?
We're about to start.
So here we go for the first ride of the day. How was the first ride?
It was very quiet. I think it was more for
But it's okay, we start mellow and then we go like super crazy sometimes.
Yeah.
So we just got done with a small baby ride for kids.
Yeah.
And now we're in there's a ride called Far Far Away. I'm waiting for it. There's a queue, but it's okay. So Belen excited for the second ride.
This one is going to be fun.
Yeah. It's actually a roller coaster and we didn't know about it. We did not know that it's a roller coaster, but yeah, let's see. Belen, you really want scared actually.
A little bit.
So she said she's not going to be scared, but she did. So it was going to be a small, easy one.
Yeah.
Was it?
I always shout.
So we just had our quick lunch, and now we're going to the Jurassic Park, and after that the Mummy, and we're already done with half of the day, I think. Yeah. It's going good till now, and then after that, and we're going to go to the roller coaster by the end of the day. Because if we go now, we're going to throw up. So
I can't go right now.
yeah, let's go.
Let's go. No,
Oh, okay. Yeah, but in such instances, always your language comes out.
Yeah.
Because even for me, like I would speak Hindi if I'm like really scared.
Yeah. Like the night of the bar.
Yeah.
So we start speaking Spanish.
Yes. Oh shit. Oh my god. Like looking at that, I'm like, why have they been doing that?
Every time I'm on a roller coaster, I ask myself, like, why am I doing this? What's wrong with me?
That's the Transformers car.
Yes, so we have
We're currently in the Transformers land.
yes, Transformers are very good at it. Like it.
But are we going to Jurassic Park now? Or?
Yeah, first Transformers here. Yeah.
So right now we're actually inside the Transformer land.
The Decepticons. And those of us who chose to resist became known as the Autobots.
And there's no people.
Yeah. Yes.
Alright.
Are you excited for Transformers?
Space is moving to lockdown, so we're going to have to suspend your training.
Let's see.
You are
Yeah, there's
very
people,
high
there's like a
potential
long queue,
material,
but
we are about to be in the middle of a firefight. We cannot put you in the field.
so like we just finished the Transformers show and it was one of the best. One of the best I've ever been in. If anyone's coming to Universal, you need to be there.
Yeah, for
It
sure.
was the best. I think we might do it again.
If we have
If we have enough time, we'll just do it again. Yeah. So guys, now next we're going to the Mummy, and we will review that after. And she's saying like it's the best.
Yeah, it's my favorite. All Universal.
Okay, let's see how it is.
Yeah.
So guys, like we wanted to go, but there's a waiting of 80 minutes, and I think that's a lot of, yeah.
I'm very sad because it was my favorite attraction.
Yeah, it is the best. Maybe we'll do it in some time.
Yeah.
If we have time, we'll just wait for 80 minutes.
Maybe by the end of the day.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
There's less people.
Or if the wait time reduces.
Yeah.
You never know.
I would do half an hour,
Yeah.
not more.
Yeah. So let's explore Jurassic World.
We're in the forest.
We're in the forest of the Lost World.
I know. I think it's 17. Oh my God! No.
70 minutes. So guys, even in Jurassic World, the waiting was like crazy. So we're just trying to explore now and see wherever there's the least amount of waiting and the most fun. So guys, after a lot of strategizing, we decided that we're going to first the Mummy,
Yes, the Mummy.
because she says that's the best. So
Yeah.
we're going to do that first, and after that we will see if we have time, and
Yeah.
accordingly we'll strategize again. So everyone, the Mummy had technical issues and we couldn't go there, so
Yeah.
so we're at the Jurassic Park and it's like 70-minute long line. Like that's crazy, but we don't have better choice.
No, have to be here.
Okay, let's review it. So how was it?
Amazing.
I'm telling you guys, if you come to the Jurassic Park, I think it's one of the best after the Transformers. Like they're on the same level because it's totally different. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
There's a lot of
it's
water.
amazing, and there's like a wild part to it in the end, and that's like you have to visit.
My advice is don't spend your money on that jacket. It's not worth it. There's
Yeah,
water,
yeah.
but it's not so much. to
Yeah,
spend that.
you don't have to get like a waterproof jacket or anything. There's gonna be like little water that gets sprinkled on you, but it'll dry because Singapore's so hot.
Yeah.
It's gonna
like
dry.
in 2 minutes, it's
Yeah,
going to be.
yeah, you're gonna be dried.
Yeah.
But you should definitely come to the Jurassic Park,
Yeah.
and it's totally worth waiting for like 45 minutes. Yeah, it's worth it.
Yeah, it was worth it. Yeah. 5 minutes game
Yeah,
and
yeah.
25 minutes
Yeah.
line.
It's totally worth it. Yeah, must visit. Now let's go to the
Mummy.
Mummy.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, so we just waiting for the show to start at what's that place?
The Transformers.
The Transformers show.
Yeah.
It's starting in about 10-15 minutes, and right now we are in New York.
Yeah, we're in New York. A very old version of New York.
Yeah. So this is like just a replica of New York in Universal Studios, and she's been to New York, and it's my dream city. So she's like it's somewhat like New York. Is it like New York?
No. Maybe
Yeah.
New York's in the
Yeah.
18th.
Yeah, something like that. But yeah, it's pretty cool to see, so I'll show you around what it looks like. Yeah. There's an update.
We changed the
Yeah, we
plans.
changed the plans like crazy.
Yeah, because we don't like lines.
Yeah,
We start in 2 minutes. So.
yeah. So we're going to see this show that's very recommended. The lady told us it's awesome. Let's
we will see.
Yeah, we will see. So the show is starting, everybody. Let's see how it goes. So everyone, we just saw the New York City.
Yeah, with a hurricane.
Yeah, it's like a real hurricane effect, but it was very small, maybe like for 3 or 4 minutes. But it was okay. It was nice. If you're in the New York side, you can check that out for like 2-3 minutes because you don't even have to wait. Yeah, pretty cool.
Worth it, yeah.
It's worth it, yeah. And next we are going to go to the
Transformers.
yeah, unless our plan changes. So everyone, we just finished the Jurassic Park. We thought we were gonna miss it, but trust me, guys, it's like one of the best
Yes,
in Universal, and I think everyone needs to try it out.
Yes.
Yeah. We were feeling sleepy while waiting for the in the queue, but we woke up now.
Yeah, after that roller coaster.
Yeah, I think it's the best ride in Universal in Singapore, and I think everyone should go try it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is all
awesome.
the Universals. The one in Los Angeles, in Orlando, the Mummy is a typical attraction Universal.
Yeah, any Universal, but remember the Mummy show.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean the ride. It is so good.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, so we're at the New York street, and this is the show at 5:30. That's the truck show that's gonna happen. So since Universal closes at 6, I think this is the best way to end the whole day. Belen, what do you say? Yeah?
Yeah, it's the best way. Plus, you get a seat, so it's perfect.
Yeah. So you just like sit by the pavement and enjoy the show. Yeah. So I think it's coming now. It's happening.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause
So how's your day going?
Very good. You always find new things in Singapore.
Yeah. So we just found like a random light show which has mushrooms and stuff. Yeah.
And the Curious Adventures in Wonderland.
Yeah.
Like at Disney.
Yeah. It's pretty cute. So like we found another nice, interesting place. Yeah, we'll get some pictures. Yeah, that's what you do. You just explore and you find places that you would never know of. My name is Anmol, and if you like this video then please share it with your best friends and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.